Välkommen, thank you for clicking on. I am Katie if you're new. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. What it do? So today I have got this gorgeous highlighted unit to install for you guys. And this unit is from Yolissa Hair, and I mean, this unit doesn't need any introduction. It's just giving, it's just doing everything. It's just giving everything it needs to give. Like, what? I'm so sorry. Like this wig, yeah, I just feel like that girl with this wig. I mean, I am that girl. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I installed and slayed this unit and also hear my thoughts on it, keep on watching. So today's unit is from Yolissa Hair, so I'll just be showing you the bits and bobs that comes in the packaging. And you get some scarves, a pair of lashes, elastic band, wig cap, and a satin bag where the wig can be placed. So that's the unit I'll be working with today. As you can see, the lace has already been cut as I have already worn this wig. And yeah, so with the cap construction, you get 4 combs in total. You get 2 on the sides, 1 at the bottom and 1 in the middle, and you also get your regular elastic straps. So now you just see me basically cleaning off my forehead just to remove any excess oil or dirt, and I'll be going in to install the unit using my ORS Fix It olive spray, and it's basically just the usual install. So I'll just let you guys watch it instead of me going on and on. So to straighten this unit, I'll be using the Defender's heat protecting spray from Voodoo's. Just spray that generously onto the hair and then going in to brush it out to make sure detangle and the hair has no knots or anything like that. And then I will be going in with my Afro G gloss spray, and the straightener I'm using today is the Babyliss wide plate straighteners, and I use my hot comb to just basically do the chasing method. I'm sure you all know how to straighten hair, so I'll just let you guys watch. unit. Can you all see how bone straight this got? It looks so amazing. So the unit did shed a little bit, and that's how much it shed all throughout the install. And now I'm just running through some serum onto the hair. I forgot which serum I actually used, as I didn't show it. If I do remember, I'll put that below in the description box. Right, so this is the final look. This is what we're giving today. I am giving you highlight for days. Can you all see this? The highlights, can you all see? Right, let me try and... Can you all see how nice these highlights are? Absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with this unit. What? Everything about this unit is super gorgeous. I absolutely love. So, as you saw in the beginning of the video, I did go ahead and do an install for you. Usually you'd see me cut the lace and everything. However, I did use this unit to go to Wizkid. Yeah, I had to. This wig was so bomb for me to just pass on and not use it for Wizkid. But yeah, so that's why this time around you did not see me cut the lace and all the good stuff. If you would like to see how I cut my lace and a full install and everything, you can just go to my channel and you'll see loads of videos of me cutting my lace and giving you a full in-depth tutorial on how I install my wigs. But yeah, I just had to come around and show you guys this wig because I have to basically show you guys how pretty and amazing this wig is. What? Like, the highlights is just given everything. It just suits my skin tone. There's just something about blonde and dark skins. I'm so sorry, like, yeah, we just you know, bring it to a whole different level. Can y'all see this? Like, okay. Right, so let me stop rambling. Let me talk you through the specs of this unit. This unit is from Yolissa Hair, and as you saw previously, that's the packaging. It came in, and I also showed you all the bits and bobs that came in the packaging as well. So this is 24 inches, and also it's a 13x4. So as you can see, it's a 13x4 lace frontal unit, and this is 180% density. It is pretty full for 180% density, I would say. Like, it's actually quite full, so quite happy about that, because that's one thing I would say. I love my units to be very, very full. Well, not very, very full, but full enough, you know. Yes, so it is quite full, and I'm quite pleased about that. This is their P4 613 hair, I believe. I'll leave all the specs down below in the description box in case it is wrong, but I believe it is the P4 613 hair. So this is definitely lighter than your usual you know, highlighted wigs that you'd receive, which is I would say probably like a golden blonde-ish color. So this one's more of a ash blonde sort of color. Can you see that? Right, so that's the specs of this unit. Let's go into the pros and cons. I absolutely love the highlights of this unit. I think this is definitely the best highlighted unit I have received in terms of coloring. Absolutely amazing. They did an amazing job. As you can see, it just flows. It's really, really nice. I absolutely love that. Another pro, like when you actually straighten it, it goes bone straight, and it's so soft and nice. I absolutely love that. Really, really nice. and this is a 24-inch. However, it does look slightly longer. Well, to be honest, I am quite short, but yeah, I really love the length as well. I just love how everything just comes together. It's really nice. I love the density of the unit. It is 180% density, so you do get quite a lot. It is quite full, because there are some companies that would literally say it's 180, but it's not. It's really 150 or even below that. But this is definitely 180, and you get 180. Like, it is really nice. So let's go into the cons. The hair is quite dry. I'm not sure why that is. Perhaps it's because of the processing it went through. Processing in terms of it having to lift to a 613 color. So probably that's why it is quite dry. You can't tell. You can't actually tell that it is dry, but it is a bit dry. And it does shed a little bit, because I did show you guys whilst installing it. It does shed a little bit, so bear that in mind. If that's something that you don't like, then that's something you know, at least you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else to say in terms of pros and cons. The unit is so pretty. Like, when I tell you, I felt like that girl, you know, the girl. I felt like that girl in this wig. Everything was just correct. Everything was correct, you know. So yeah, this wig, yeah, I don't think I should even say more. Like, it just speaks for itself. Everything it's just perfect. Like, oh gosh, I absolutely love it. I love it. Like, it is so beautiful, and I love how flat it literally sits on my head. So the construction is really, really good. This is a size medium. I am usually a size small, which is a 21.5. A medium is a 22.5. Obviously it is slightly big, but I mean, you can't tell. If anything, I'll just sew it at the back so it kind of fits, so it doesn't, you know, it's not bulky or anything, but you can't even tell that it's big. Do you get what I mean? Like, it's really, really nice. But yeah, that's me done rambling. I will leave all the specs and details down below in the description box. Make sure to check it out. And if you did find this video helpful, please do not forget to hit that like button and, you know, help us this out. And also do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fam. I mean, the more the merrier. And thanks to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for clicking on and hanging out with me today. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.